Welcome friends. We face many challenges in our life. Similarly, our mother nature also faces many challenges. In this video, we will discuss one such major global challenge, that is water scarcity. Providing safe drinking water and basic sanitation facilities is still a problem for many countries around the world. In India, water scarcity affects about 1.2 million people every year. India has access to 4% of the total water resources of the world. Water scarcity in India mainly affects due to the drying up of the rivers and their reservoirs in summer months. Let's first understand what does water scarcity means. Water scarcity is a lack of fresh water resources to meet the standard water demand. Water scarcity can also be caused due to droughts, less rainfall, and pollution. It was listed as one of the largest global problems of a decade in 2019 by World Economic Forum. There is a prediction that by 2025, 50 countries including India will face the problem of water scarcity. While 70% of the earth is covered by water, only 2.5% is fresh water or usable water. We humans have access to only 1% of the 2.5% fresh water. The rest 1.5% is trapped under the glaciers and snow. Let's understand the available sources of water on earth. There are mainly two sources of water available on earth. One is the surface water sources and second is the groundwater sources. Rivers, lakes, ponds, natural tanks all consist of the surface water sources. According to a report in 2015, there are 189 rivers around the world, out of 76 out of which uh, 76 out of which are 1000 kilometers long. Also, there are 117 million lakes all over the world, which includes the saline as well as freshwater lakes. According to 2019 report, India consists of 21 short and long rivers and 256 identified lakes. Now let's talk about the second source of water, that is groundwater. Groundwater is a part of the water that drains under the ground during the rainy season. Out of the total fresh water on earth, 1.69% of it is groundwater, but we can use only 0.76% of the groundwater, as the rest 0.96% is saline or salty. The biggest question: how does water scarcity impacts us? Let's take an example of our country, India. As I told you earlier, water scarcity in India affects nearly 1.2 million people every year. In June 2019, 65% of the total rivers and reservoirs were below normal water level and 12% were completely dry. Many megacities such as Chennai and Bengaluru still do not have access to piped water. Water scarcity problems also arise when some water sources such as rivers, dams are blocked during the protests and demonstrations. Another factors that affect the water scarcity are the tanker mafias. The tanker mafias smuggle the clean water tankers and sell the water to the common people at very expensive prices. We all know that our country, India, is an agricultural country. Water scarcity largely affects the agriculture. Water scarcity impacts greatly the amount of crops produced. We all know the droughts of 2016 in Maharashtra, which caused a large scale crop destruction as well as farmer suicides and unemployment. Latur and Vidarbha regions of Maharashtra are mainly the regions where every year such problems arise, like unemployment, farmer suicides. It also impacts the economy of a state or a country. Earlier in the video, we heard some reasons for water scarcity. Now let's understand some of the major reasons for water scarcity. One is climate change. Climate change, which affects the rise of sea levels, melting of glaciers, disturbance in the monsoon schedule. From the last few years, we have been observing that rains are untimely, or in some cases there is no rain. Also, the regions like Mumbai, which are near to the sea, face delays in the monsoon season. Second major reason is river pollution and river infrastructure. Polluted rivers are useless. They cannot be used for any purpose like drinking or any other use. The very recent example of river pollution is the winters of 2019, when the Yamuna river had foams over its surfaces and it. How can we stop water scarcity? The very first and very basic thing we can do to stop such scarcities and challenges is creating social awareness. Social awareness like sharing this video to as many people or some other methods. Second way of social awareness is through street plays or through the social media. Second way of preventing water scarcity is rainwater harvesting or preservation of rainwater. And the third way to stop water scarcity is the most important one, that is stop the wastage of water. We sometimes knowingly or unknowingly waste a large amount of water. To prevent water scarcity, this must be stopped. What are the government efforts, plans or rules to stop the water scarcity? Let's take a look to some of them. Government of India formed a new ministry known as Jal Shakti Ministry in 2019. This new ministry aims to provide piped water by 2024 to each and every household of India. The ministry also has some other purposes. Jal Shakti Ministry is a combination of the Ministry of Water Resources, Ministry of River Development and Ganga Regeneration, and the Ministry of Drinking Water and Sanitation. Friends, as we all heard, this is a very important issue, so I thought sharing it with you all. Please share my video, like my video and also subscribe my channel.